Today, as you guys can see, we got my boys Hex K-swapped EM2. He had a problem with the shift cables. I'm gonna show you guys later, but they snapped on them. So we're going ahead replacing them with some OEM shifter cables, and hopefully get the car running straight again. Alright, so we got the OEM shifter cables off of the OEM shifter. Now we just gotta go ahead and run them through the car and basically just put them on over here to the bracket, and we should be all good. Let me see if I can grab it in the bag. Alright, they're here. But I think that looks ugly, bro. It's underneath the bar, the sway bar. Alright. Okay.
Poop.
Cotter pins all in place. Place. Bro, that's your battery?
Yeah.
I didn't even I thought that was just literally a battery you had. That's crazy. That's far. There we go. Had to lube it up a little bit. That's in place. Just got the last one right here. Where'd you put the broken one at? The broken cable.
What?
Oh, the broken one, look. Look at that. Literally, the rubber just ripped in there. And you said the car wasn't taking
First,
third,
third, and
fifth. Oh, hold on. It's still not in over here. We still got one more. Hold on. Okay. We need the...
Oh, that's right. That's right.
It's on the seat. Hold on, right? Yeah. Missing piece.
That shit had me scared for a minute. Alright, hold up.
Like, shit. this joint in the way.
Deal.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
How's it feel, you?
Nice and tight.
Oh, word? That's crazy. Interior completely put back together. Time to go test her out. For anybody wondering the setup, it's a K24A2 with a 5-speed, what was it? Accord transmission. I'm going again. That's that twin disc clutch. Here we go. Hey, this moves though, it moves. Long story short, test drive was rather amazing. The car performed well, but I hope you guys really like this car. If you guys want to see it on the channel in the future, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys.